Test Pioneer after repair. "101" signal good. 101.
Guaranteed. Your best life today. Visit Virginia. Generators are on the decline. Aaron Yegfeld, CEO of Generex, says one reason is tariffs and rising prices weighing on things.
We're starting to see some demand destruction, I think, with the consumer. We've had to put more pricing into the marketplace over the last 5 years, coming off of COVID, in response to the
Test pass.